When you're selling a house and you are asking yourself, do I fix stuff up or do I just leave it the way that it is? That's a great question. And I get asked that all the time. And I'm going to share with you the things that give you the most return on your money if you're going to be doing those types of repairs. But also, I'm going to surprise you and I'm going to tell you why I probably tell most of my clients don't do anything. Don't repair a single thing. So I get asked all the time, hey, do I replace the front door or paint the front door? Do I refinish the cabinets? Do I replace the Formica countertop? Do I replace the flooring that's outdated? The answer is it kind of depends. So if you're dealing with a fixer-upper, again, I tell my fixer-uppers, I say, do not replace a thing. And there's a very good reason for that. I'll get to that in just a moment. My name is Anthony Nitz, helping people sell fixer-uppers for almost 30 years now and making sure that they get way more money than they expected to get because people want you to think that your fixer-upper is not worth money. That's not true. Your fixer-upper is a very valuable asset, and I can show you how to make sure you get the most amount of money. So if you've got a house and it's in fairly good shape, I mean, it's in pretty darn good shape, and you want to touch up little dings and dents and a couple other things, yes, absolutely, just go for it, because that will only help the presentation of the house. It doesn't necessarily make it more valuable, but it will definitely help the presentation when somebody walks in and they go, okay, this house is really nice. But if you go, I got a very limited budget, where should I spend it? I'm going to tell you the few things that are going to give you the biggest return on your investment is, number one, is a garage door replacement. And this is by a study done by a construction company across thousands and thousands of properties and resale homes and everything. They say these are the things that result in more return on their money. So a garage door replacement is about 271% return. So from the example I have, it's about $4,400 for a garage door, yet you get about a $12,000 return, and this is for the Orange County, California area. And if you look at that and you kind of go, gosh, that's not a huge amount of money. Does that move the needle a lot for you? You know, I mean, it can add up. And then a manufactured stone veneer. Now, this is a project, though. This is one of those things you go, oh my gosh, I'm going to replace the front of my house with manufactured stone veneer. This is one thing that they say gives a really good return on investment. But is it worth the time and energy and effort? Gives a 220% return. And this one is probably my favorite, is the entry door replacement. Just replace your front door. You replace your front door, you're going to get a 214% return on your investment. If you want a copy of this report, you know, I'm happy to send it to you. Just put a comment down below. I'll shoot you a copy of the report. And I'll also send you a video that I share with my clients that when they're getting ready to sell a fixer-upper, I tell them, don't touch a thing. And you're going to still get way more money than what people think or want you to think that you're going to get for that fixer-upper. So drop a comment below and I'll send you the information you're looking for.